everybody. What's up? My name is the PG Garage Guy. I'm the best.
Boom! Good morning! What is going on, everyone? So in today's video, we're just going to be installing a new exhaust system on my brother's WRX. But first things first, we're going to go take Haxcar to OTR and get his brake pads changed. I think he's getting the Project Mu brake pads, but I'll ask him again when we get there. Also, I'm not going to show you guys and tell you guys what exhaust my brother's got. You got to stay tuned for that, which will be coming up soon in this video. So see you guys at OTR. Alright, so we just got to OTR. There's a Type S, there's a LD, and yeah, I was hoping the S2K would be outside so I can show you guys, but it's inside. And yeah, what the heck, is there no standing zone? Oh, he has to take a photo.
Hey, you dumb fuck.
Has to take a photo. Everywhere he goes, man, takes a photo.
I'm gonna get booked, bro. I'm gonna get booked. I'm not standing, I'm sitting.
But he goes all the way around here.
Why'd I walk around? Huh?
So, was it the Project Mu you're getting?
Yeah, Project Mu.
Hey, maybe the new
Project Mu turbo kit.
Hey, what? Hey, what? Alright, so we just finished up dropping Haxcar and then we went to eat. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, we dropped it off, we went to get some food, and then we went to get some milk tea. Yeah, matcha milk tea.
Yeah!
We got the cocoa milk tea. But yeah, we got the matcha milk tea. And now we are currently heading back home. And then gotta head to ZPG headquarters to start the WX exhaust. So see you guys there. Boom! Ayo! So just got to ZPG headquarters and time to put on the WRX exhaust. So here's the exhaust. So like I said before, you guys had to wait, and if you waited, this is it. So this is the Xforce exhaust. I don't know if it's a specific type, but yeah, Xforce. It's a catback. I also bought new tools. Look at that. Because I needed the breaker bar. So because of one breaker bar, I bought a whole set. It was on special anyways, so I don't mind. And over here I bought new jack stands too. Alright, so this is going to be the last time we hear the stock exhaust. So first things first, before we start, I gotta unbox the new tools and the new jack stands because we're gonna be needing that. Oh, the new jack stands are very nice. And now the big boy, Woo! 100 times way better than my one. Yeah? So the new jack stands and the new tools, look at that. Yeah. Because I needed a breaker bar. I needed this breaker bar, so I went and bought a whole set. So yep, once again, that's the toolbox. Look at that. Look at that. I think it's 193 pieces. Woo! Look at that. And the jack stands. Already loving this new toolbox and I haven't even used it. So now we're gonna actually unwrap the exhaust, the Xforce exhaust. Alright, so there it is, the exhaust unwrapped. Fucking nice silver, look at that. Xforce. Woo! It's looking mint. Alright, so we're gonna jack the car up, put it on some stands, and then I'm gonna get changed and then see you guys then. Alright guys, so For this exhaust system, I'm not gonna really record much. I'll just do a bit and then show you guys at the end, because I already did my Jay's racing one and that dragged on. So if you haven't seen that video, it's somewhere up here. Basically, there's 2 bolts here. We're gonna take that off. So 2 bolts here at the top and 2 over there at the end there. And then we just slide it off and done.
Huh?
I think I left the cloth there, a green one. Oh. Fuck, it's so dark now. I
thought you were ready, bro. Fuck, I thought you were ready.
Oi!
Oi! Oi!
Oh. Hey! Yeah! Check this out! Yeah! Oh fuck!
My muffler.
Oh shit! Oh shit! That shit was fucking heavy, yes! Alright, so we just took off the stock exhaust. Look at that. Hella empty. And then here's the old one. And here's the new one. Ooh, very shiny. Very nice. So I'll see you guys after we put in the new exhaust. Whoop, whoop. Boom, what is up guys? It is currently a new day, or the next day. Look at that. Damn, early start. So we still haven't finished the exhaust yet. We're gonna continue on today. We couldn't finish it last night because we ran into a few problems with the 2 pipes not connecting properly. We had to run into the shops, get some new bolts and figure out something. So we're actually gonna put the car back up in the air and then I'll show you guys what problem we ran into. Alright, so here it is guys. I'm not sure if you can see, but the pipe goes in but not all the way in. And the OEM bolt and the new one they gave doesn't fit, or it isn't long enough. So over here they got the donut flange, I think it's called, and that's the problem because the OEM exhaust had a groove here, so the donut flange can sit in. This one has nothing, so basically can't go all the way in. We done a bit of research and they said you can either try and buy another adapter or just try and force it in, or you can remove this. So we'll see how it goes. Boom, so there it is guys, WRX Xforce exhaust installed. Look at that. Ooh. So basically with the problem before, what happened was, yeah, it didn't fit in properly. So what we did was we just left the donut in and we just went and bought new M8 bolts. So it was long enough and thin enough to go through the 2 flanges. So after we bolted that on, we went down here, we clamped that on, and then we tightened that and done. So let's hear it start for the first time. Hopefully we installed it right, otherwise it's gonna have some fat ass exhaust leaks and it's gonna sound hella loud. Alright guys, so first time starting the Xforce exhaust. Oof, in my opinion, even though it's not too loud, it sounds pretty sick. Yeah. Alright, so right now we're just gonna go for a little test drive, but it's sounding pretty sick. It's not too loud, but it's hella nice.
It's not too loud, yeah?
Yeah. That's a close lead.
Oh.
Oh fuck! Fuck, we just got an exhaust leak. Fucking hell. Oh dude, you hear the rattle. We didn't even install this shit properly. We hit it once and then it just fucking, yeah. Alright, so we just got back to the house. I'm not sure if it made sense before, but what happened was we were driving and then we floored it once, and then all we heard was like a little pop, and then the car just went louder. So we assumed maybe it was from the cat area where that donut piece I was talking about, because that didn't fit properly. But we just, you know, we just kind of jammed it in. So we thought it was that. But then we pulled the car up on the hoist again, or on the stands, and then we looked underneath, and it wasn't from the cat. It was actually from this piece. It was actually from this piece here. I don't think we put it in enough, or we didn't tighten it enough. As you can see, right there, it basically dropped. Alright guys, round 2, we bolted everything back on, and hopefully this time it goes well. Better go well. Yeah! 100 times way better! 100 times way better! Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. WRX Xforce exhaust is finally on and finished. It's not as loud as what I thought it would be, but it sounds sick during the low range torque area. So low range rev, it sounds good as, and then when it goes up high, you can't really hear it as much anymore. So basically this exhaust took 2 days, because the first day we took off the exhaust within like what, half an hour, 45 minutes. But then after that, we spent like a whole hour trying to figure out how to plug the pipe into the actual cat or resonator, and we couldn't figure it out. We looked at forums and stuff, and they said either take off that donut piece, which I showed you guys before, or get a new bolt. So we got a new bolt, we put it in today, and it actually worked. So yeah, that's basically gonna do it for today's video. Also in the last video, you might have remembered I said S2K and WRX parts coming in. Well, the exhaust was the WRX one, and the S2K one hasn't came in yet. Hopefully it'll come in this week. So if it comes, I'll install it with you guys and catch you guys then. So for now, see you next time. Laters.
Go so fast, motor drops going upwards.
Turn left, G. I said turn left, motherfucker, turn left.